subject, 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 attachment, 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 carbon copy, carbon copy, carbon copy, blind carbon copy, blind carbon copy, blind carbon copy, reply, 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 subject. For example, please include a clear subject in your email. Attachment. For example, I'll send the spreadsheet as an attachment. Carbon copy. For example, I will carbon copy my manager on this email for visibility. Blind carbon copy. For example, use blind carbon copy when sending emails to a large group to protect their privacy. Reply. For example, please reply to this email with your availability.